everybody, this is Miss Richardson. I am making a video to say hello. It's for our open house, since we can't see each other face to face for that. I've missed you so much. I can't wait to see you. And if I don't get to see you, hopefully I will get to see you very soon. So yes, my name is Mrs. Richardson and I am Turnbow's art teacher. I'm your art teacher. I made a little slideshow about myself. The first slide is of me when we first opened in 2006. And I would have been close to 26 years old at the time. And that is me on the left at 26. And then this is me on the right. That was last year's school picture. So you can see how I've changed a little bit over time. Gotten a little older. It happens, right? All right, next slide is a picture of my family. I have one little girl. Her name is Lyric, and she will be 4 years old this coming Sunday, August 16th. And my husband, his name is Josh, and that is at our house, which is not too far from school. I wanted to make a slide of my favorite foods because I love food. It was hard to decide which foods I loved the most, but here we go. I love fruits and vegetables. I love ice cream, sushi, pasta, French fries, Mexican food, salsa and nachos and tacos and things like that. But probably my most favorite food in the world is Cajun food. It's a type of food in Louisiana, South Louisiana, and it's a lot of seafood. So in the top right corner, there's a picture of oysters on the half shell. Some of you might say, ew, but it's delicious to me. And then most shrimp dishes, crawfish étouffée. That's crawfish, but crawfish and shrimp, I like them both. There's a picture of that below the oysters, and then there's a shrimp po' boy kind of below the sushi. So yum, 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 my favorite. Next, I have a couple of my favorite artists. It was hard to decide which artists to choose from, but two that came to mind really quickly were Wayne Thiebaud on the left. He's still living. He's about 99 years old now. He is from California, and he was teaching art for a long time while making art. And he's known for painting several things, but he's really known for painting desserts. And you can see those two pictures right there of the ice cream cones upside down and then of a cupcake. And they look so delicious. Looks like you could just pick them up and take a bite out of them. He uses thick paints called impasto. And then the woman on the right, her name is Flora Bowley. And she, I think, is from the Oregon area. So she's also from the US. And her type of painting she calls intuitive painting. And she just doesn't really think about what she's doing. She just starts painting, adding colors and lines and shapes and texture and things like that. So right there are a couple examples of her types of paintings. She's very inspirational to me. My favorite hobbies. I love spending time with my family. I like reading books. I like making art. I like to travel. I like to cook, exercise, and see live music, which we have not been able to do lately because of everything going on, but one day we'll get back to it. And that's it. I don't have any more slides. That's me in a nutshell, and I cannot wait to see you guys. I am here. I will see those of you that are coming to school, and those of you that are not coming to school, that is okay. I will see you soon. I love you each very much. Bye.